guys! Welcome back to our vlog. So we're finally made it to Bohol. As you all know, nakasama namin kayo sa biyahe from Laguna to Bohol. And now that we are here, tayo po ay mag-grocery. Takot na takot naman si Justin mabulaga. Akala mo naman talaga ay napaka-famous. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood guys yung video, yung unang vlog natin, which is yung land travel going to Bohol, please take time to watch it after this video. Kasi so far meron na siyang 20 views. Baka pag 21 ka na.
Stop it. Get some help.
Umitim ako, no? Sa biyahe. Umitim na ba ako? Bakit may itang ulo? Smile, smile. Baka sabihin nila suplada ka. Or suplado. Dapat masaya lang, be. Diba? So, narito tayo ngayon sa Tagbilaran City. The only city in Bohol. Tayo po ay papunta sa Alturas Mall, kung saan sabi ay mura ang bilihin. So, while this is technically my hometown, hindi pa talaga ako tumira dito ever. Pinakamatagal ko na nagstay sa Bohol ay 2 months at lahat yon ng tira ko ay sa Pamilacan Island. So soon guys, itutour namin kayo sa Pamilacan Island. It's a very beautiful island, I must say. Unadulterated island. Pamilacan is a hidden gem. Sorry kung malikot ang ulo ko at tayo po ay tumatawid sa crossing. Dito sa Tagbilaran ang daming crossing. Hamabag nga pa tayo. Magtatanim na lang ako ng gulay. Thank you, ate. Hindi siya yung 4 kilo, 4 kilo. Okay, hindi ko ma-compare yung prices sa Manila, pero 66 pesos din yung soft drinks doon. For the tawid gutom. In fairness, ang mura niya, umabot lang ng how much?
8,800.
Hindi, 7,800. 8,800. You're right. I must say na it's cheaper here in Alturas. Malalaman natin yan kapag pumunta na tayo sa ibang mga malls or market here in Bohol. Tagbilaran City at night. Now that we're done na mag-grocery, it's time for me to do a little cook-sirop. Sinigang hei-hei. So, pagpasensyahan nyo ng aking kaldero. At galing pa to ng Manila, pati tong sandok na to. So, for sinigang, we have kangkong. Part yan ng mga nag-grocery natin. We also have tomatoes, okra, radish, and of course, sibuyas and bawang. Medyo magulo at parang dinidilubyo. Ay, meron pa pala tayong ano to? Chili espada. Ayan, 27 pesos only. So, what I'm doing right now is pinapalabas ko yung natural oil niya. And then, magsasaute tayo ng garlic and onions and also tomato. Ilagay natin yung bawang. So hopefully maging successful to because this is going to be the first meal that I am preparing for my family. O, luto na to. Kain na tayo. Okay na naman. Lasang sinigang naman. Let's see kung magugustuhan nila Makmak, Justine at Imeng ang luto ni Mother Monster Paris. Kaya po pa. Ano ta? Kaya pa? Mamukha ka namang madam dyan. Mukha ka namang taga Baguio. Ayan. Babay na tita.
Bye-bye. Saan ka na? Ako walang kaalam-alam sa ginagawa niyo.
Bye-bye. Ta! Dead ma. Hey guys, we're now back on the mainland. Medyo sad kasi magkahiwalay na naman kami ulit ng family ko. Kasama ko na lang ulit si Makmak at Justine. But my heart is filled with so much love. And right now, we're here in Tagbilaran City kasi ipapa-car wash naman natin to si Abracadabra at medyo mahaba-haba na ang pinagdaanan niya. Wala na siya linis. And also, mag-grocery po tayo ulit kasi nga naubos po ang ating mga stocks. So, I think last time umabot ng 8,500 yung grocery natin. And it only lasted for a week. I thought mura ang Bohol, but apparently I was wrong. Bohol is gold. Kasi yung 8,500 na yun only lasted for a week. So kung tatlo lang kami sa bahay, it would only last for say 2 weeks. So kailangan pala dito mag-budget ka ng mga 20,000 to 30,000 pesos para lang, you know, medyo hayahay ng very very light yung buhay. Or hindi lang talaga ako marunong magtipid. I don't know guys. So dito dinadock yung mga bangka na papunta ng Pamilacan Island. See? It means na Land of Dolphins ang Pamilacan Island. So, we have Sparky and also Justine. So right now, it's still being extended. I think they have big plans here na gawin siya na parang Raha Sulaiman, yung dati sa Maynila. Hingal-hingal yung lola mo. So there is your Baclayon Church. And I'm not sure if you can see it, pero nandun sa kabilang part ng Pamilacan Island. Mga 45 minutes to 1 hour ang travel papuntang Pamilacan Island. Ang haggard ko na, nagbiyahe lang. So we're here in Pamilacan Island na. Dito lahat ng family ko nakatira. Like more than 1,000. What? Family members. What the fuck? Pero sana maayos ang makeup.
Reggie.
You might be wondering bakit hindi na lang ako tumira sa Pamilacan Island para mas maging malapit ako sa family ko. Very understandable. But I need to be, realistic kasi nga we have been unemployed for quite some time. So, kailangan natin magdesisyon whether maghahanap tayo ng work here in Tagbilaran kasi may mga BPO companies na pala dito or mag-put up tayo ng small business. I know it would take some time to grow, though kapag lumaki naman siya, it's going to be fulfilling. Ang issue ko naman with getting back to BPO companies I want to break free. I don't want to build someone else's dream. And I don't know, but I know I need to make that decision as soon as possible to generate a new stream of income. So guys, if you have been following my journey here in Bohol, please do not follow what I'm doing right now because it's very risky. Don't leave your jobs because trip nyo lang, or do not transfer to any places here in the Philippines or in the world just to follow your heart. Pero masama bang sundin natin ang ating mga puso? Hindi naman siguro, di ba? Ewan ko, siguro nga talaga midlife crisis to kasi yung logic hindi gumagana. Me leaving Manila for Bohol with no possible income, that's very risky. But knowing me, I am accountable and responsible for that. Who else would be? Diba? Huwag niyong sundan yung yapak ko. Sundan niyo na lang tong video na to. And I know guys, you have been waiting for me to share why I left my employment for Bohol. In my next vlog, I am going to share with you what really happened. See you again next week.